with me today. I just wanted to show कौन सा products मैं use करती हूँ कज़ाक में, because यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड भी है. And you know, it's so much better to do makeup here क्योंकि whatever makeup you do in the morning, it stays till evening because आप sweat नहीं करते. और अभी हमें brunch करने भी जाना है and आज हमारा last day है यहाँ पे. So let's start. First of all मैंने अपने फेस को ऑलरेडी मॉइस्चराइज कर दिया है. अभी मैं सनस्क्रीन लगाऊंगी. I always use the Dot & Key sunscreen. I love this. So that's how much I put. Now today I don't want to apply any primer. I'll just fix it with a setting spray. For foundation I'm going to use the Too Faced one. This is my favorite. Shade is Nude. I take a very little one. So brush. I am not gonna apply any concealer. I really love this foundation. It gives me enough coverage and like I said, light makeup. So usually बॉम्बे में मैं ये फाउंडेशन मॉइस्चराइज़र के साथ मिक्स करके लगाती हूँ like a tint. बट यहाँ बहुत ठंड है तो I don't have to worry about the thickness. And because मैं कंसीलर नहीं लगा रही, I'm going to apply a few extra more under my eyes. Please don't judge अगर मैं कुछ अलग और कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ according to you, because makeup is personal. सबका अलग वे होता है करने का makeup. So this is my way, and because I'm in a hurry, just have to do it. Also मैं बोलना भूल गई थी, मैंने ऑलरेडी लिप बाम लगा के रखा है. लिप बाम is very important in winters. My lips are always dry even in summers, but here it's super important. Let it just see. ये part already फट चुका है. Okay. Foundation is done. Now I'm gonna use this eyebrow gel. ये मैंने यहीं पे खरीदा है and ये this is from a brand called Lamel, not La Mer, Lamel. And ये मैं already use कर चुकी हूँ 2-3 बार and it's very good. I love it and I really need eyebrow gels because why not? It's clear. It's a clear eyebrow gel. अभी के लिए इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे ताकि वो थोड़ा ड्राई हो, तभी मैं eyebrow पेंसिल लगा सकती हूँ. Meanwhile, let's do the eyes. So I have gotten my eyeshadow, but I don't want to apply it right now. So I'm gonna apply this on my eyes. So what I do is I take it like this and place it over my eyelid. I love this blush. It's very hydrating, easy to blend. See, very little application is enough. So now what I'm going to do is apply the powder blush. So I have 2 powder blush. So whatever I'm going to put on my face, I'm going to apply here so that it matches. And right now I have the Kylie one. Kylie one is a little peachy, and the K Beauty one is a little more in the deep berry shade. I think I'm gonna go with K Beauty आज because I want my makeup to last long, and the peach one is little light so might fade away by evening. But honestly speaking, I really love this blush. I know बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे क्या Kylie Cosmetics use करती है, it's not good, but trust me, for me this works. I don't care about anybody else. So मैंने अपना eyeshadow brush ले लिया है. This is the brush I use for my eyeshadows. And I'm gonna take very less of it. This blush is very pigmented. See, while traveling to Kazakh. ये हो गया. I don't want to talk about it. I'm very touchy when it comes to my makeup. So the powder is only for a little bit of mattifying effect. What I do is every time I have any cream eyeshadow or cream blush, I always top it up with a little bit of powder so that it stays longer and doesn't look too shiny. See. Now, the most challenging part, eyeliner. Yes. To match both the eyes wing is the most difficult task. I might not be on this camera, I might be using the mirror more because I don't want to fuck up. Oh, by the way, I forgot to talk about this eyeliner. So I got this also from Almaty. This is from a brand called Vivienne Sabo. I don't know what brand that is, but I love this. Let me do the other one and come back. Okay, I think I achieved it. Now I'm going to apply kajal in my lower lash line. What I do is I fill it with a kajal. I'll show you how. I use the K-Beauty eye pencil. This is kind of brown. So I apply it under the lower lash line like this. So I fill all the gaps with this. See, you can't see. You can still see some white line there, and here you don't see. Done. और मैं इसी पेंसिल को अपने अंडर आई लैश लाइन पे भी लगाती हूँ. I don't apply anything liquid under my eyes because my eyes are very liquidy, so it just spreads. Now I'm going to do my brows. So for my brows I use Benefit eyebrow pencil. Slowly I will fill the gaps first. Just like eyeliners, I have to match my eyebrows also. It's very annoying. देखो, मतलब जितना भी कर लो कभी सेम नहीं दिखने वाला. It's very frustrating. Plus threading की ज़रूरत है. I think this is enough. Sometimes when it becomes too much, I always blend it with this brush. Okay. Now the blush. मैं इसको पाउडर ब्लश से भी टॉप करने वाली तो वो और निखर के आता है और लॉन्ग स्टे भी करता है. दिस इज माई ब्लश ब्रश एंड I do it. And now I'm going to top it up with the powder blush. Ting ting. मुझे blush बहुत पसंद है. I know every girl say that. I love blush. I love Kazakh. I think I'm gonna come back here in summers. I know ये भी ज़्यादा लग रहा है but with time ये fade होता रहेगा इसलिए मैं initially ज़्यादा ही लगाती हूँ. Okay, that's it. Now lips. Today I'm gonna go with red lips. This is again my favorite Maybelline vinyl ink. So before that I'm gonna apply lip liner. ये lip liner, this is the Swiss Beauty lip liner. I was kind of skeptical before I bought this because मुझे नहीं पता था कितना अच्छा होगा. Swiss Beauty के कुछ products बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ products नहीं अच्छे होते. मैंने ये बिना कुछ सोच समझे मैंने सोचा चलो ट्राई करते, but it actually is good. I'll show you. It's very pigmented and if you see my lips already have natural line of brown lines which is the pigmented part, so that's why I prefer to apply lip liner depending on the lipstick color. Here it is. Now my favorite. Don't forget to shake this before use. I take very less because ये बहुत pigmented है. I think ये सालों साल चल सकता है. So what I do is and I think I'm kind of done. I'm just left with a little shading under my eyes जो मैं ऐसे टाइप की ब्रश से करती हूँ. I don't like sharp lines under my eyes, so I like to fade it a little. That's it. Now I'm gonna complete my look with some earrings and with my full clothes, so I'll be back. Oh, I forgot, makeup fixer. I bought the mini one first because I wanted to see if it works properly for my face, and it really works, so I'm gonna buy another one. Don't move your face after you apply your setting spray, and सूखेगा. Till that time I'll get my earrings and I'll show you my complete look. So these are the two earrings I have in option. I love both of them, but I think I'm gonna go with this because I'm going to travel also today, so that I don't have to keep changing my earrings. So here it is. By the way, these earrings are from Inaya. I'm very allergic to artificial metal, but luckily, touch wood, they don't. So this is how my earrings are. You know, this is what I don't like about myself. I don't know how to do any hairstyle. Apart from straightening hair, I have no idea what to do with my hair. Anyway, I'm gonna wear this sweater. Jacket. You know, if you're coming to Kazakh during winters, be sure to bring bomber jackets. And with bomber jackets, I would say not even this bomber jacket. This is also not enough. This is how I'm going to layer it. And my hair doesn't really matter because I'm going to wear my earmuffs. And that's it. I hope you liked my makeup process. I know it was all over the place. The final product, I'm really happy with it. So